Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect SQL Server to Power BI step by step. If you are working on SQL Power BI or preparing for interviews, this is very important. Open Power BI desktop, go to Home tab and select Get Data option. Click on SQL Server option. Enter SQL Server name. If you don't know, go to the SQL Server and run this query and select this result and paste it as the SQL Server option. Do you know the database name, or otherwise you can optionality you can skip. I know my database name, so I am writing. Here we can see the two options. It is the import mode and direct query mode. Import mode, it is the list data, you can load this data, and direct query mode, you can real time scenario, you can go with the direct query mode. And one more, we have the one more option like advanced options. Do you have any SQL statements, and you can write here, and otherwise you can skip this. And I'm importing the data. Okay, it will navigate the database table names. So I'm selecting the employees. So it is previewing the data from navigation bar right side, and you can see, and here it is the two more options. One is the transformations data and load data. Transformation data, it is you can go through the Power Query editor and you can edit, merge and append or any modifications needed in data. So you can go there, go to the Power BI editor in data transformation, or otherwise you can go with load data. I'm just connecting the data from I'm loading. It might be take 2 to 3 minutes. It is loaded, and now you can see the right hand side, the data pan. You can see the employees table, and these are the columns. And now you can see the data. Go to the table view, and you can see the all data what we are loaded in the employees data. So that's it. This is how you connect SQL Server to Power BI. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.